Closing day is the day you get the keys, but most buyers have no idea what actually happens between waking up that morning and holding those keys in their hand. Here is the full picture. The real work starts a few days before. Your lawyer receives all closing documents from the seller's side, the title transfer, mortgage papers, and a statement of adjustments breaking down every dollar. You'll visit your lawyer's office, typically 1 or 2 days before closing, to review and sign everything. At this point, you also arrange to get your closing funds, the balance of the purchase price plus costs minus your deposit, into your lawyer's trust account. On the morning of closing, the lawyers take over. They exchange documents and funds electronically. Your lawyer sends the purchase money to the seller's lawyer. Once they confirm receipt, they authorize the title transfer. This gets registered at the Land Registry office, and boom, that's the moment you legally own the home, usually between mid-morning and early afternoon. Once the title is registered and funds are confirmed, the keys are released by the seller or their agent. Your lawyer will call to tell you the deal is done. You can now access your new home, with possession typically guaranteed by 6 p.m. on the closing date. But be prepared for delays. They're more common than you think. Late mortgage funds, incorrect documents, last-minute title issues, or even just a lawyer swamped with other deals can push possession into the late afternoon or evening. This doesn't mean the deal is falling apart, but it's why you should never book movers for early in the morning. And one critical piece of advice: closing day is not the day to make any major financial moves. No large purchases, no new credit, nothing that could affect your mortgage before the keys are in hand. This is Milad. He prepares every buyer for closing day well in advance, so there are no surprises, no last-minute panic, and no confusion about what is happening and when. Book a free 15-minute call with Milad. No pressure, just answers. Link in bio.